Hey kids, it's such a nice windy day. Whoa!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very pleasant day to all my children in year 2 to UM. Okay, now we are in the topic of Earth, and we've learned about the natural sources of water, the natural cycle of water, and just recently in our previous lesson, we've learned about air. Air is around us, remember? Where is it? In the sky, in the deep earth, and even under the water. Every living things need air because we use it to breathe and live. And do you remember the two gases in the air? Just remember, just for your own sake. Maybe I'll ask a question about that. But for this video, we're going to learn only one thing, which is wind. What is wind? Okay, just imagine that I'm in this very big room and there is no fan. The aircon is not working and I'm feeling very hot. And what should I do to make myself feel very cool? Does anyone here has a fan? Trick question. I have my own fan. I'm ready. Okay? So, what can I do to make myself cool? Well, just remember just now that the air is around me, but it's not moving. That's why I'm feeling hot. So to make myself feel cool, I have to move the air towards me so that I can feel cool. Alright, let's use the fan, okay? I am moving the fan towards me. What is happening? The air in front of the fan is moving because the fan is pushing and pulling it. And I'm feeling cool. Look! My clothes and my scarves is moving because the air is moving. It is pushing my clothes and I feel very cool. So, air that moves, we call it wind. Repeat after me. Air that moves, we call it wind. Remember? Now that you know what is wind, let's understand more in our next lesson. Before our next science lessons, I want you to click or browse the link that I'll be giving you. It's a video on how to make a simple and easy mini rocket. You watch the video, carefully remember and understanding the steps on how to make the rocket, and during the day that we will have our next science lessons, you bring the materials to make the rocket. We will do it together, and with that we will observe how wind is created by the movement of air. Okay? It will be a very exciting task. Almost forgot, kid. You have another task to do. After you watch the videos on how to do the rockets, I want you to search for information on how useful wind for us in everyday life. How helpful wind is to humans in everyday life. You can ask your parents, you can read the books in your textbook, and you can also search in the internet for the information. So, I recap again what you should do. First, you have to watch the video for how to make the rockets. Then, you will have to search for information on how useful wind is to us. Then, you bring the materials to school in our next lesson. And fourth, we'll do it together, the rockets and the discussions on helpfulness of wind to us. Okay, that's it.